There's no seven. There's no seven size. Filipino size? No, 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 guys. I think the standard size is like five. Yeah, five below. But if you say seven, no, it's no. It's Please spelling. I'll give you 1,000 likes. I told you already. I mentioned it already, guys. I mentioned it already. The title. Yes. Sa'yo lang yan. Yes, Dex. I can't breathe, Dex. I can't breathe. Because it's like, ooh, love. Pero, Eric, 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 pag nagkasya yung ano mo, Eric, believe na ko sa iyo, Eric, pag nagkasya yung ano mo. Oh my goodness. Ano doon tayo bigyan. Dami na siya, guys. One time, guys, I have a story, guys. One time, I have a story pala. No, next time pala. I have a story, guys. Nag-join ko wedding. Nag-join ko wedding, guys. And I met ba? Tawag mo na. May nakilala ba ako? I have met, tama ba? I have met a guy, guys. Ano din siya, yung bridesmaid din siya sa wedding ba? Sa wedding. Bridesmaid siya. Then, nagbihis ko, guys. Nagbihis ko. And then, ninuot ko na siya, guys. Ninuot ko siya sa ano ko, guys. Sa attire ko, guys. Kita akong play. He is attracted daw. He is attracted ba? Yan ba siya, guys? Tapos, he's inviting me to go to the toilet. And that's all, guys. He invited me to go toilet. And then the next scenery is look later on. On yan na, guys, ang next episode. Hi, Michelle. Ay, gano'n naman to, guys. Oh my God. Sino man to nag-request? Si Eric talaga, si Eric. Parang, si Eric, tawag nito. Seryoso talaga siya, serious. Oh, you're so young. Who's this? You're so young. Automatic block the young viewers. I know if you're, I know if you're below 20s, guys. I see it in your profile, and I automatically block it. Yep. No, Eric. I'm very conservative, guys. I am 19 years old. I'm 19 years old and never been touched. That's why never been touched. Okay. Oh my God. What's 150? Never been touched and never been kissed the pepperoni. That's why my pepperoni, guys, it's very sensitive. Very sensitive. If you touch it, guys, it's like a magnet. Kanang magnet siya. If you try to touch it, it's just like a magnet. It's like a magnet. Magnet. Rex. No. There is a password. What's the title again, please? You're so very guys, this small, guys, it means the guys na I'm a good, yeah. Guys, the first time, guys, na nag-try ko kuwan ba kanang like that. Kanang guy nga nag-try, guys. Yun siya, guys, na I can't resist. Talaga. Yes. Ingon siya, I can't resist. Ingon siya guys nga ano, hindi na niya tagay makalimutan guys. Hindi na makalimutan yung that time nga ano. Hanggang ngayon siya guys, hanggang ngayon. Um, reset. I already know. Sometimes. Chicken cordon, what is that? The title? The title of the video? Oh my. Guys, if I'm in El Nido, guys, I'm gonna open my live. If I'm in El Nido, guys, I'm gonna open my live. Start sa when? Second week of July. I'm gonna open my live. I'm gonna show you. I booked Las Cabanas ba yan? I booked Las Cabanas Hotel. And it's, I think it's no, not 5-star hotel, but it's one of the nice hotel in El Nido, guys. That Las Cabanas is a sunset view. You can see the view, the sunset. Yes, ang article guys, may magsalita guys na yan. You can see the nice view there, and I'm gonna try the speedboat. Speedboat? Yeah, mga yours. Yeah, I'm gonna try yung paddle, like a paddle, guys. Ano yung paddle? Boat ba yun? Ganun. And then, and I wanna try the, Balaling is there. This is Balaling. Who's Balaling, guys? Who's Balaling? Do I look at? Who's Balaling outfit? Check. You want to see my outfit? That's my outfit. Is a simple like. Still not naman himself. Sexy. Hello, sexy scroller. Hello, scroller. Magaling ito sa mama Edwin.